Hey everybody, JR from JR's Cars. And today, I have a product review here for you. So this is Shine Armor's Graphene Ceramic Spray, and I'm going to show you what a difference it's going to make in this 2008 Honda Odyssey, because it is definitely weather beaten, and it's time to get this cleaned up and get a nice shine on it. So we'll test this out, and we'll see how it works. So as I said in the intro there, my 2008 Honda Odyssey has been looking kind of shabby lately, and I figure it's time to get some shine on it. So the graphene spray comes in an 8-ounce bottle. When it comes shipped to you, you'll have a cap on top, and what you have is your spray nozzle that comes separate. So you'll take the cap off and put the spray nozzle on. And on the spray nozzle itself is pretty neat. It has just a little button here to turn on and off the spray, so that way you can make sure that you're not wasting your product. So obviously one of the first things that you want to do is wash your car. Wash it, dry it, get a good clean surface to start with. Okay, so I've masked off half the hood because I want to show you the difference between the treated side and the non-treated side. So next step, what it's going to be is you want to grab a microfiber cloth and you want to spray the product directly onto the cloth itself. You don't want to spray it onto the car. So let's give it a spray. Next step is very simple. It's as simple as wipe on, wipe off. Okay, now that that's on, we're going to wait. The bottle says wait 1 to 2 minutes before you take your clean microfiber towel and you wipe it off. Let's take a look at the difference here. We can look at it in the sun. Look at it from this line. Look at the shine difference. You can see a huge difference in the tree inside the car. You can see the tree right there. You can see a huge difference in the shine here compared to the shine there. Look at that. So proof is in the pudding here. Let's take this rag. Let's see what it does. This is the side that we didn't treat with Shine Armor, and this is the side that we did treat with the Shine Armor. Slides right off. And I think somebody else over here likes the Shine Armor product too. Woo! Alright, so here we are. We're going to test out the hydrophobic properties of the ceramic spray. I'm going to do that right now. Look at how quick it's dissipating off the hood on this side, the side that we put the Shine Armor ceramic spray on. Where this side, it's still lingering on the hood itself and it's all still wet. Look at how quick that comes off. So there you have it. The Shine Armor Graphene Ceramic Spray did an exceptional job on the one side of the hood. I'm really happy with the results. As you saw, the water beat it right off of that one side. So my problem right now is I have to do the rest of the car to make it look just as good. So if you're interested in the Shine Armor Graphene Ceramic Spray or any of the other Shine Armor products, you can go to shinearmor.com. And if you use promo code JR'sCars, JRZCARZ, it'll get you 20% off of your order. So I hope everybody's staying safe, and I'll catch you in the next video where we do auto repairs, auto product reviews, automobile reviews, and possibly other things too. You can also catch us on Facebook and Instagram.